What does a mobile phone with a 10,080 mAh battery actually signify? The 10,080 mAh Honor Power 2 is a lightweight outdoor flagship with limitless capability and incredible battery life. Priced around $499, the Power 2 is a hexagonal warrior, an all-rounder with long battery life, stable connectivity, strong performance, super waterproofing, and high durability. Let's do a live test. Just how good is the battery life on the 10,080 mAh Honor Power 2? I believe outdoor workers and those with battery anxiety are dying to know. We started playing Honor of Kings at 8 a.m. for 4 hours straight. By 12 p.m., the battery was still at 84%. We then doom-scrolled short videos for 6 hours. After 10 hours of heavy use throughout the day, the battery remained at 64%. With 80-watt super flash charging, the battery percentage increases at a speed visible to the naked eye. It really cures battery anxiety. The Honor Power 2 has another very strong function, 27-watt reverse fast charging. If you're recording outdoors and your microphone dies, use the Honor Power 2 as a cable to quickly revive it. Need fill light for a night shoot? The Honor Power 2 acts as a power source to keep it bright. There are many devices that need power when you're out, and the Honor Power 2 can reverse charge a wide variety of equipment. It's basically a portable power bank. We tested the Honor Power 2's connectivity. Inside an elevator, calls are clear. Click download, then view the file. The whole process is silky smooth with stable network speed. Finally, navigating from the underground garage to an outdoor charging station, the route is clear and positioning is precise, unaffected by the underground signal. This is because the Honor Power 2 utilizes the Hongyang 6E antenna plus a self-developed enhancement chip and features the industry's first parallel dual-rail antenna design. With 25 antennas, it achieves 100% antenna occupancy. It avoids interference between different functional signals. Plus, the aerospace-grade dual-frequency GPS and Beidou triple-frequency allow for precision positioning. Outdoor travel requires accurate navigation to improve efficiency and keep your mood up. Let's look at the chip. Honor is showing real sincerity here, the global premiere of the Dimensity 8500. You have to realize that usually at this tier you get the Dimensity 7300 or 7400. You rarely get this level of battery and connectivity experience combined with such performance. The gap is huge. We also experienced some gaming. Playing Honor of Kings at high definition and 120 Hz, team fights were silky smooth, skills were responsive, and there were no frame drops. Coupled with the ice-sealed liquid cooling system, the phone stayed cool and comfortable even after 30 minutes of play. The performance at this price point is already very strong. Next, we opened 20 apps in one breath and switched randomly between them, no lag or stuttering. Outdoor phones can't be fragile. The central frame uses a four-corner damper force relief structure. Even if you drop it unexpectedly, it efficiently absorbs and disperses the impact force. We tested two common drop scenarios. First, falling out of a pocket and landing irregularly on the ground. The screen and back shell? Intact. The camera lens? Not cracked. Then we knocked it off a table, still pristine. The anti-drop and anti-shock capabilities are legit. Everyday waterproofing is maxed out too. IP66, IP68, and IP69, the industry's highest waterproofing system. I really have to give a thumbs up to the Honor Power 2's hardware quality. The design is great too, especially this orange one I'm holding. Absolute perfection. It weighs about 216 grams and 7.98 millimeters thick. The battery capacity increased, but the thickness didn't. Plus, the grip feels great. For this price, the 1.5K Honor Oasis eye protection screen is also included. It features 3840 Hz PWM zero-risk dimming. I turned on the AI sleep display and AI defocus relief. For those who get carsick when using phones outdoors, the motion sickness relief display is really useful. There's also the new Magic OS 10 system. You can turn on AI outdoor mode, giving you screen brightness optimization, outdoor network coloring optimization, and app acceleration. I also tested the volume. It's loud enough. The Honor Power 2 uses a symmetrical superlinear dual speaker setup paired with Honor's self-developed audio algorithm. You'll never miss a call again. The ringtone is loud. If you have a budget of $499, the Honor Power 2 is worth considering. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who works outdoors and needs precise positioning, long battery life, and durability, then the Honor Power 2 is your second-to-none choice. It really fits perfectly. It's also great for friends with battery anxiety. You can play for a whole day and still have power. Highly recommended.